CTM Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Finally, we see the confirmation taking place, which is sick. Guess what? It's game on. I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I documented all of this on my YouTube channel. Then I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Recently, like the first time when I started making videos on CTM, it's when the price was around 41. It was actually when it was 50 something cents, and I obviously do have the proof to back it up. I mean, you can see the price at the time was 56 cents, and I was expecting it to kind of come down between 43 or something like that. And you can see that was 2 months ago, before the New Year's. And what I saw is just exactly that. Like, all I really want to say is that I'm still looking to take it up, and the only right thing for me to do right now is just keep waiting. Generally speaking, setups came. Before that, I got a -1R, which is totally reasonable, nothing crazy. So yeah, at this point, I just need to wait it out. Like, really nothing much to say about this moving forward. If you have any questions, comment them down below. But if you want to make money in a simple way in just weeks, blueprint, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.